Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Herbal Heroes series, your front row seat to the world's most powerful plants. Oregano, the humble herb with a bold personality. From the hills of Greece to the heart of your favorite pizza slice, this leaf has seasoned both meals and myths for centuries. Whether steeped in tea or stirred into sauce, oregano delivers punch and purpose. Curious how a sprig became a symbol of joy, health, and culinary tradition? Let's dive into the vibrant story of oregano. Sprinkled on pizza, stirred into sauces, or brewed as herbal tea, oregano adds warmth, depth, and a bold Mediterranean vibe to everyday cooking. Its flavor is peppery, earthy, and slightly sweet, especially when dried. It turns simple dishes into cozy, craveable meals. No wonder it's a pantry staple from New York to Naples. But to truly appreciate oregano, we need to climb back to its ancient mountain roots. In ancient Greece, oregano meant joy of the mountains. Wild and aromatic, it was cherished for its beauty, medicine, and flavor. Healers brewed it into tonics, cooks tossed it into feasts, and newlyweds wore it as a crown of happiness. Oregano wasn't just tasty, it was sacred. Oregano is a hardy perennial that thrives in sunny, dry climates. Once it's rooted, it spreads into a bushy, fragrant herb with tiny purple blooms. Whether in a garden bed or a kitchen pot, oregano is low fuss and high reward. Just give it sunlight, and it gives you flavor. Fresh oregano is green and bright, with a softer bite. Dried oregano? It's more concentrated and complex, perfect for tomato sauces, grilled meats, and hearty stews. Each form has its moment. Want brightness? Use it fresh. Craving comfort? Go dried. Oregano is rich in carvacrol and thymol, two natural compounds with serious antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers. These little molecules may help fight germs, reduce swelling, and support overall health. It's not just an herb, it's a helper. This tiny leaf is packed with vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, calcium, and powerful antioxidants. Just a teaspoon of dried oregano can add a nutritional punch to your plate. It's fiber-rich, immune-friendly, and full of flavor. A small sprinkle goes a long way. Oregano is key to Italian pasta sauces, Greek marinades, Turkish kebabs, and Mexican bean stews. It plays well with olive oil, lemon, and garlic. No matter the dish, oregano brings an earthy, peppery note that ties flavors together. It's bold, timeless, and unforgettable. Oregano was believed to bring joy, peace, and even protection. In Europe, it hung in doorways to ward off evil. In Rome, it lifted spirits. Across cultures, oregano has been more than seasoning. It was a symbol of wellness and welcome. Want to get the best from oregano in your own kitchen? Here are some tasty tips. Crush dried oregano between your fingers to release its oils and wake up the aroma. Add it early in a simmer for a mellow effect, or sprinkle it on at the end for a bold finish. Store it in a cool, dark place to keep the flavor strong. And always remember, a little oregano goes a long way. From ancient hillsides to modern pizzas, oregano continues to add joy, healing, and flavor with every tiny leaf. It's a thread that connects cultures, kitchens, and centuries. Not bad for something that grows wild on a rocky slope. Hungry for more flavor-packed stories? Hit subscribe and let your taste buds explore.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.